Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off the touch controls of your SONOS One SL speaker. So to do this you have to go to this settings icon in the right bottom corner, then you have to go for the system, next go for your product, and then scroll down until you find the touch controls. So right now I'm gonna turn them off and take a look. When I click right here, as you can see, these controls are not working anymore. And right now when I turn it on, I can click and you can hear the notification sound. So it means that right now they are working. And right now when I turn it off, I just also lost my Wi-Fi connection. So I have to wait a little bit and perform the same action. There we go. When I turn it off right now, it is not working anymore. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.